Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Good morning. Good morning. Hello and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello and how are you?
Good morning, Charles Arju family. Do you remember what we're learning about? We're learning about zoo animals. Today, Miss Nisey needs your help. Can you help me match animals to their names and their sounds? So I'm going to show you 2 pictures, and I'm going to give you the animal's name and the sound that it makes. And I need your help to point out which animal I'm talking about. Can you help me with that? Great. Let's get started. Do you see the 2 animals? Do you know the names of the animals? Do you know what sound these animals make? One of these animals are called a monkey. And a monkey makes the ooh-ooh-ah-ah sound. And the other animal is called a lion. And it goes roar. Do you know which one goes ooh-ooh-ah-ah and which one goes roar? Let's see. This animal is a monkey, and the monkey makes the sound ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Good job. The next animal is called a lion. And what sound does that lion make? The lion goes roar. Let's see what our next picture is. Ooh, look at these cool animals. Do you know what their names are? Do you know what sound they make? One of these pictures has an alligator. And an alligator goes chomp, chomp, chomp with its strong teeth. The other picture is of a snake. And a snake goes with its tongue. Do you know which one is the snake that goes and which one is the alligator that goes chomp, chomp, chomp with its teeth? Let's see if you're right. This is a picture of an alligator. And alligators go chomp, chomp, chomp with their teeth. This one is a picture of a snake. And the snake uses its tongue to go. Did you guess that right? I hope so, because you're super smart. Are you ready for our last picture? Awesome. Look at this picture. It has a lot of the same animals in each one. Now, one picture has birds. And birds say, tweet, 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 tweet. And the other picture has frogs. And frogs go, ribbit, ribbit. Do you know which one is frogs that go ribbit, ribbit? And which one is the birds that go tweet, 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 tweet. Let's see if you're right. These are frogs, and they go ribbit, ribbit, and they hop along. And this is a picture of birds. They go tweet, 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 tweet. Guess what? We did it. You helped me today. You helped me match the sounds and the names to the zoo animals. And for that, we get to do our victory dance. Yay, 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 yay. Good job, friends. Before we go, we have to do our goodbye poem. Are you ready? Are you cozy? Great. Wave up high, wave down low. I think it's time we have to go. Wave your elbows, wave your toes, wave your knees, and wave your nose. Wave your chin, wave your lips. Blow a kiss with your fingertips. Wave your ears, wave your eyes. Wave your hands and say goodbye.